Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Mark, aka Ever So Talented. We have a unboxing video and a review on a pair of sneakers that I have been knowing about for damn near 6 months, that came out on 4/20. Now, I've always been a fan of the Nike SB Dunk Low Pro. It's comfortable. I like the way it's cut. It looks good. They have so many collaborations and colorways and designs over the past just even 3 years, since 2020. Like the Grateful Dead collection and the Chunky Dunkies. To me, it's a very respected shoe, and I really have a lot of love for that sneaker. In today's sneaker, we're going to be unboxing a Nike SB Dunk Low Pro. Now, what I have to the right of me is the sneaker, and I buy off StockX. I like them. I have no problems with them. I've heard some horror stories, but with me, every single time I've made a purchase on StockX, I've had no problem. And this pair right here that I got today in my hand is from Berlin. And I won the bid on these sneakers a week ago. So that's pretty quick shipping. So basically, if you guys didn't know from the title, these are the Nike SB Dunk Low Pro Run the Jewels. And if you guys don't know, Run the Jewels, they're a rap duo. It's Killer Mike and LP. But yeah, they're I've listened to their music before. I'm not really hip to it. It comes like this. Now, if you guys don't know, Nike SB switched up their packaging. You can see a little scratch here right on the Nike sign. All the new Nike SB Dunk Low Pros, whether it's a quick strike or not, and these are a quick strike, which is a limited release. They come in this new vanilla, plain, boring ass box. Every SB has its own box color due to the era. There was a time when Nike SBs came in like a turquoise, like a Tiffany type of color. Then everyone, I'm sure, is familiar with the rainbow box, and everybody assumes when you see a rainbow box and it says Nike SB, it's got to be some crazy collaboration, or it's got to be some dope ass or extremely expensive ass sneaker. But that's not necessarily true. I haven't even seen what the shoes look like in real life. We're doing this right now. It's got that like faux wood paper, and here's the shoe. Okay. Wow. Wow. Sniff test, yeah, that's real. I can tell right off the back. Okay, I can tell right away this is a high quality material shoe. It's hard to tell because I don't know how to hold the shoe right, but even the inner part is suede, and that's the Run the Jewels logo. And it has a translucent sole, and I believe it says Run the Jewels. Check that out. And it's got this nice little like fuchsia purple red swoosh, and it has gold stitching right there. And I know these are going to come with extra laces because most SBs do. And these ones come with a standard, kind of like these weird laces. You can see they're kind of like choppy. Do you see that? The quality of these sneakers is just amazing. They also have a high top pair, and it's a really god-awful looking shoe. They should have done two different styles of a low top. I never see anyone wearing SB Dunk highs. I mean, occasionally I'll see people wear SB Dunk lows, but honestly, I don't even see a lot of people wear SB Dunk lows in the city. Most people just wear Air Force Ones or general release Jordans, and whatever. I don't care. Wear what you like. But I want to get the other shoe out. It's coming with, and Nike always, like with SB, they tie the laces around them, which is kind of irritating, but a dark blue, which kind of matches with the blue. And then you're gonna get like this other dark blue, which matches with this palette right here. Now, it might be hard to see on my crappy camera, but these pair of laces right here are actually dark blue. And then these ones here are like a super dark blue. They're like an indigo, but they have like, the tip is, you can see the tip is like a different color. So let's talk about the shoe. Let's get this video over with. Dude, the quality is absolutely insane. So you have like a short hair suede here going all along, and It's like a short hair suede I've never felt. It feels like real like fuzzy. And then the tag, or excuse me, the check or the swoosh, whatever you want to call it, is like, it's like a suede. And then you got like this smooth suede here. This is like, to me, like Travis Scott quality suede. You can see even on my camera being shitty, you can see how it's got that brush back, which is always a sign of good quality. And then the tongue is actual leather, right? And it says it's stitched Nike SB Dunk Low Pro. And the inside is even suede. Like this part here is suede. The sole is suede. And that's the other Run the Jewel sign in here. And the only thing that I wish they did is that they put a libre on the lace here, because on the SB Dunk highs, which are a pink and black, and they have pony hair on it, which is supposed to like tear and rip away when you skateboard with them, and then reveal like a new color or a new material under it. They have a really dope libre on both pairs, and they're gold, and it's basically the Run the Jewels logo that I showed you on the inner sole. And I wish they did that for this, because they did that with the Nike Supreme SB Dunk Low Pro Stars, and I want those sneakers just because they say Supreme, have a Supreme libre on them. I'll be honest with you, but I'm not paying $660 for a pair of SB Dunks, even if they are Supreme and limited. But the quality on this is a 9.5 out of 10. That's the tongue, that's the shoe, that's the suede, the construction, the material, the stitching. Look at that Nike in gold. The translucent sole. It's gonna get dirty for sure. The originality, the concept. I watched the behind the scenes of this shoe on the Sneakers app, and I could tell these guys put a lot of heart and soul and effort into this shoe. And it's just such an awesome shoe. This shoe will go with anything. It will look really good on a pair of light blue jeans, maybe even dark blue jeans, like an indigo, an acid wash, whatever. But this is my latest pickup. I wanted to share it with you guys. I haven't done an unboxing in a while, and I want you guys to tell me what you think. Do you guys mess with SB Dunk Lows? Do you mess with Run the Jewels? Do you like this pair I'm holding in my hand? Yes, no, maybe so. And I got another unboxing coming up next, and I also have another rap video coming up next. So make sure you stay tuned in and stay locked, and thank you so much for supporting my channel. Nonetheless, it's your boy Mark, ever so talented, Nike SB Dunk Low Pro, Run the Jewels. Run the money. Run me the money for these. I spent too much on them. Peace out, y'all.